To make fixturing up your CMM fast and easy, we put together bundled systems with 12, 18, and 30-inch docking rails to fit any size machine. You can piggyback rails for larger machines and then strategically place your fixtures accordingly so you don't have to cover the entire surface of the granite. Docking rails are designed with counterbore slots to fit any bolt pattern, but most inspectors prefer to use a double-sided adhesive to stick the rail outside the work area. This is our 12-inch bundle. It comes with a 12-inch docking rail and two 6x6 lock-and-load modular fixture plates for easy installation, removal, and reinstallation of all your fixtures. It also comes with an angle plate to work as a repeatable stop when inspecting directly on the granite. It also comes with a qualifying plate to easily qualify your machine and then remove the qual sphere, preventing accidental probe strikes and open up the entire work area of the granite. This is our 18-inch bundle. It comes with an 18-inch docking rail, a 6x6 plate, a 6x12 plate, the angle plate, and a qualifying plate. And finally, our 30-inch bundle. It comes with a 30-inch docking rail, a 12x12 plate, a 6x12 plate, a 6x6 plate, an angle plate, and a qualifying plate. Plus, each of these CMM bundles comes with your choice of work holding kits. The starter kit is a well thought out 72-piece consolidated clamping kit. The complete kit is a totally expanded 82-piece clamping kit with a full set of simple stops and a 6-piece set of lever clamps. And the Works kit, 158 pieces in total that features our complete system, plus our magnetic riser set and our standoff and rest pad set. Additional and custom plate sizes, metric plate sizes, specialty clamps and vices, and custom fixtures are also available, making future jobs easier and faster than ever before. Deliver perfect parts faster with Inspection Arsenal.